The St. Catherine Municipal Corporation is intensifying strategies to maintain law and order in the parish throughout the festive season. 17 municipal officers have been appointed to act as district constables from January to December. They are expected to work alongside the Jamaica Constabulary Force. TVJ's Kalisha Williams reports.
St. Catherine is among the parishes dealing with a spike in crime since the start of 2017. There have been over 226 reported murders in the parish between January 1 to December 17. At a recent meeting of the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation, there were concerns that an increase in commercial activities during the Christmas season would result in disorder. It's why the mayor of Spanish Town, Norman Scott, was called to action.
I would like the Commercial Services Department to sort of update this cooperation as it relates to their strategies with regards to security, and I would want to say the collaboration with the police to deal with the intense commercial activities that we will experience throughout the towns.
On Tuesday the 12th of this month, yes, we actually sworn in 17 special district constables with the powers of carrying out the duties and responsibilities, meaning they can arrest people.
Mr. Scott pointed out that the corporation is waiting on confirmation from the local government ministry before the new officers are deployed to the streets.
This will be gazetted by the Ministry of Local Government, and this has to be done before they can perform their duties. What this means, Council, is that these persons, these officers, will be fully protected by the law.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.